welcome back to our unboxing of the Soundcore wireless earbuds by Anker. So yeah, let's get into it. So basically there's the packaging where it has all the information on it. So like there's 10mm drivers for sound with deep bass, and yeah, it's waterproof, rain and sweat resistance. And yeah, it has 8 hours of listening when it's on maximum charge. And yeah, there's a charging case with it, and it can charge the earpieces fully 3 times without it being charged. Then you have to charge it. Yep. And there's 3 different sizes for all different sizes of ears. Okay, so we're gonna start by removing the tape from the top.